What if you could tap into the mind of a creative genius? What if you could unlock your own creative potential just by understanding how they think, work, and innovate? Imagine for a moment the possibilities that could unfold, the horizons that could expand, and the ideas that could bloom. Today we journey into the world of creativity and innovation, not through the conventional lens of science or technology, but through the rhythmic and fluid realm of dance. An arena where the body becomes the canvas and movement, the paint. In this space, few have made a mark as indelible as our subject of interest, Twyla Tharp. A titan in the world of dance, Tharp has been hailed as a revolutionary choreographer, an innovator who dared to break away from tradition and create her own dance vocabulary. But Tharp's influence goes beyond the stages of Broadway or the ballet. Her insights into creativity and innovation are universal, transcending the boundaries of dance and offering valuable lessons to anyone looking to tap into their own creative potential. Creativity and innovation, though often associated with the arts, are the lifeblood of any field. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for the next big idea, a scientist on the brink of a breakthrough, or a teacher seeking new ways to engage students, innovation is key. It's about thinking differently, challenging norms, and daring to venture into the unknown. And who better to guide us on this journey than Twyla Tharp? A woman who has spent over half a century pushing boundaries, challenging herself and her dancers, and constantly reinventing the language of dance. In this exploration, we're not just looking for a step-by-step guide to creativity, we're seeking to understand the mindset, the ethos, and the spirit that drives innovation. We're looking to uncover the principles that can help us become more creative and innovative in our own lives, regardless of our field or profession. So, let's set the stage, shall we? Let's delve into the dance of innovation through the lens of Twyla Tharp's creativity. Today, we're not just spectators but active participants in this captivating dance. How will this dance inspire us? How will it change the way we think, work, and innovate? Stay tuned as we embark on this journey of discovery. Today we delve into the dance of innovation through the lens of Twyla Tharp's creativity. Twyla Tharp, a name synonymous with innovation in dance, but who is she really? Imagine a woman who defies the conventions of her craft, who pushes boundaries and redefines what it means to be creative. This is Twyla Tharp, an icon of American dance and a beacon of innovation. Born in Indiana in the mid-20th century, Tharp's journey into the world of dance was anything but ordinary. Her parents, both of whom were passionate about music and dance, instilled in her a love for the arts from a young age. This early exposure laid the groundwork for what would become an illustrious career spanning over 6 decades. Tharp's work is an amalgamation of various dance styles, from ballet to jazz to modern dance, creating a unique blend that is distinctly her own. Her innovative choreography has graced the stages of Broadway, been featured in Hollywood films, and won her numerous accolades including 2 Emmy Awards and a Tony Award. Yet her impact extends far beyond the world of dance. Tharp's unique approach to creativity and innovation has made her a guiding light for artists, innovators, and creative thinkers around the world. She believes in the power of habit and routine to unleash creativity, a philosophy she encapsulated in her best-selling book, The Creative Habit. Beyond her achievements, Tharp's true legacy lies in her ability to inspire. Through her work and teachings, she encourages us to challenge the status quo, to think differently, and to find our own unique voice. In a world that often prioritizes conformity, Tharp's message is a refreshing reminder of the power of individuality and the limitless potential of the human spirit. Her life and work serve as a testament to the transformative power of creativity and innovation. Twyla Tharp's life and work are testament to the power of creativity and innovation, but how does she inspire it? As we delve deeper into Tharp's world, we will uncover the secrets behind her creative genius and how we can apply them to our own lives. How does one cultivate creativity? Twyla Tharp believes it lies in habits. Tharp, a renowned choreographer, shares this belief in her book, The Creative Habit. But don't mistake it for just another self-help book, it's far from that. The Creative Habit delves into the very essence of creativity and innovation, proposing that they are not just inborn talents, but skills that can be honed and developed. In Tharp's perspective, creativity doesn't arise out of thin air. It's not a magical, mystical process, rather, it's a product of discipline, hard work, and yes, habit. Picture it as a muscle that needs regular exercise to grow stronger. That's what creativity is, according to Tharp. A muscle that we all have, and that we can all train. The creative habit is not just about dance or art. It's about life. It's about breaking free from the chains of traditional thinking and embracing the unknown. Tharp argues that creativity is a skill that can be applied in any field, whether it's business, science, education, or even personal relationships. She believes that everyone has the potential to be creative, but many of us never tap into that potential because we're held back by fear, doubt, and the false belief that creativity is reserved for the chosen few. Tharp's book is a call to action. It urges us to shatter these false beliefs and to embrace the creative potential within us. Through a series of exercises and tasks, she guides us on a journey of self-discovery, helping us to unlock our creativity and use it as a tool for innovation. The creative habit is not just about creativity. It's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. It's about finding joy in the process of creation and discovery. It's about embracing the unknown and taking risks. It's about breaking free from the constraints of conventional thinking and daring to dream big. The creative habit is not just a book, but a guide to unlocking your creative potential. It's a journey towards a more creative, more innovative, and ultimately a more fulfilling life. It's a journey that begins with a single step, a single habit, the creative habit. What are the key techniques that Tharp uses to foster creativity and innovation? Twyla Tharp, a renowned choreographer, has distilled her process of creativity into several key techniques that can be applied to various fields, not just dance. These techniques are simple yet profound, providing a roadmap to innovation. Let's delve into some of these techniques. Firstly, we have the creative box. Tharp advocates for the creation of a physical box where you can store everything related to a project you're working on. It could be anything from notes, sketches, magazine clippings, even objects that inspire you. This box becomes a tangible representation of your thought process, a visual and physical manifestation of your ideas. Over time, the box becomes a reservoir of creativity that you can dip into whenever you need inspiration. Then we have scratching. This term, borrowed from the world of DJs, refers to the process of finding nuggets of inspiration from various sources. It is about being open, observant, and receptive to the world around you. It might be a conversation, a book, a painting, or even the rhythm of a bustling city. Tharp believes that ideas are everywhere, and it's our job to scratch the surface and uncover them. Next up is the spine. In Tharp's world, the spine is the central idea or vision that holds everything together. It's the backbone of your project. It might not be visible to the end user, but it's always there, providing structure and direction. Just like a human spine supports the body, the spine of your project supports your ideas and gives them shape and form. The last technique we'll discuss is skill. Tharp suggests that creativity isn't just about having great ideas, it's also about having the skills to execute them. She emphasizes the importance of honing your craft, whatever that may be. Whether you're a writer, a musician, a designer, or an entrepreneur, you need to master your tools and techniques. Only then can you truly innovate and create something remarkable. But remember, these techniques are not to be followed rigidly. They're meant to be tweaked, adjusted, and customized according to your needs. They're tools, not rules. Think of them as guiding principles that can help you navigate the complex and often chaotic journey of creativity. They can provide structure in the face of uncertainty, clarity amidst confusion, and inspiration when you're feeling stuck. In essence, Tharp's techniques are about cultivating a mindset of openness, curiosity, discipline, and resilience. They're about embracing the process of creativity, with all its challenges and rewards. They're about finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. So whether you're a seasoned innovator or just starting your creative journey, these techniques can offer valuable insights and practical strategies. They can help you tap into your creative potential, foster innovation, and create something truly unique and meaningful. Twyla Tharp's techniques provide a blueprint for fostering creativity and innovation. What can we learn from Tharp's approach to creativity and innovation? As we delve into the world of Twyla Tharp, a renowned choreographer and creative maestro, we can't help but marvel at her unique perspective on innovation. Her life and work offer us numerous lessons, key among them the importance of discipline, practice, and habit in fostering creativity and innovation. Tharp's approach to creativity is not a sudden burst of inspiration, but rather a disciplined and consistent practice. She believes that creativity isn't a mystical talent bestowed upon a select few, but a skill that anyone can cultivate with dedication and hard work. She stresses the importance of establishing a routine, a habit, that triggers your creative process. For Tharp, it was hopping into a taxicab each morning to go to the gym, a simple act, but one that signaled the start of her creative day. It's about finding your own cab ride, your own ritual that kickstarts your creativity. Tharp also underscores the significance of practice. She once said, "It's vital to establish some rituals, automatic but decisive patterns of behavior, at the beginning of the creative process when everything else is so unformed." This constant honing of one's craft, she believes, is what truly breeds innovation. Another key takeaway from Tharp's philosophy is the value of discipline. She asserts that being disciplined does not restrict creativity. On the contrary, it creates a fertile ground where ideas can flourish. Tharp's rigorous discipline in her dance routines and choreography is a testament to this belief. In essence, Tharp teaches us that creativity and innovation are not solely the products of spontaneous inspiration, but the fruits of discipline, practice, and habit. It's about showing up, day in and day out, ready to work and willing to explore. Tharp's dance of innovation is a testament to the transformative power of creativity when harnessed correctly. Indeed, her philosophy serves as a beacon, guiding us towards our own dance of innovation. Her lessons remind us that with discipline, practice, and habit, we too can tap into our inherent creativity and transform it into something truly extraordinary. Opening: how can we implement Tharp's techniques in our own lives and work? Let's delve into the practicality of Twyla Tharp's techniques and how you can apply them to your own creative process. The first step is embracing routine. Tharp starts each day with a morning ritual that triggers her creative instincts. This could be as simple as making a cup of coffee, going for a run, or even just sitting in silence for a few minutes. The key is consistency. By sticking to a routine, you prime your brain for creative work. Secondly, Tharp believes in the power of scratching. No, we're not talking about the itch on your nose. Tharp's concept of scratching refers to the initial stage of any creative process, where you're gathering ideas and inspiration, essentially scratching around for that spark. This could involve reading, researching, observing, or even just daydreaming. Now on to the third technique: boxes. Tharp uses physical boxes to organize her creative projects. Each box contains all the materials related to a particular project, including notes, drawings, music, and anything else that fuels her creativity. You might prefer digital boxes in the form of folders on your computer or apps on your phone. The idea is to have a designated space to store and organize your creative thoughts and materials. Lastly, Tharp's technique of spine. This is the core idea or vision that guides a project from start to finish. It's what gives your work integrity, coherence, and direction. It might be a single sentence, an image, or even a feeling. Whatever form it takes, your spine is what keeps you grounded and focused as you navigate the creative process. In conclusion, implementing Tharp's techniques is about embracing routine, scratching for ideas, organizing your creative materials, and identifying the spine of your project. It's about structuring your creativity without stifling it, and giving it a direction without limiting its scope. Closing. By adopting Tharp's techniques, we can all become innovators in our own right. How does creativity and innovation impact the world around us? This question takes us on a journey to explore the transformative power of creativity and innovation in our world. Let's start with the music industry. Remember when vinyl records were the norm? Then came the compact disc, followed by the digital revolution. Each shift was driven by innovative thinking and creative problem solving. Today, music streaming platforms have altered the way we consume music, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. Next, let's look at the healthcare sector. The invention of the MRI machine was a revolutionary step in medical diagnostics, giving doctors a non-invasive way to look inside the human body. Today, artificial intelligence is being used to analyze patient data and predict health risks, potentially saving countless lives. Imagine the world of transportation without the Wright brothers' creativity and innovative spirit. Air travel has not just made the world a smaller place, but has also opened up new opportunities for business and cultural exchange. Now we're looking at a future with self-driving cars and hyperloop trains, all thanks to the power of innovation. In the realm of communication, the transformation is profound. From letters to telegrams, telephones to emails, and now, social media platforms and instant messaging apps, the way we connect with each other has been revolutionized. Each stage of this evolution has been marked by a creative leap, a new way of thinking about how we share and receive information. Even in the food industry, creativity and innovation have changed the game. The rise of plant-based meats and lab-grown proteins are a testament to the power of innovative thinking in response to environmental and health concerns. In each of these examples, creativity begins with a spark, an idea. But it is innovation that fans that spark into a flame, translating ideas into tangible, impactful change. Creativity and innovation have the power to change the world, one idea at a time. As we dance with innovation, what are the key steps to remember? Just like in a dance, innovation is a rhythm we all can learn. It's a symphony of creativity, discipline, practice, and habit. The melody that Twyla Tharp has composed for us isn't just a collection of notes, but a guide to a lifestyle of innovation. Let's revisit the key steps of our dance. 1. Twyla Tharp, the creative maestro herself, who showed us the path to creativity is not always linear, but a blend of structure and spontaneity. 2. Her book, The Creative Habit, that serves as a gateway to innovation, teaching us that creativity is a muscle to be exercised, not a reservoir to be depleted. Next, we learned about Tharp's techniques, tools that can unleash our innovation. The box method, for example, a simple yet powerful tool to organize our thoughts and ideas. Then, we delved into the lessons from Tharp's own dance of innovation, where she showed us that creativity is not a solitary act, but a communal effort. We also explored how to implement Tharp's techniques in our own lives, reminding us that the power of creativity isn't just in the idea, but in the execution. And finally, we looked at real-world examples of the power of creativity, showing us that innovation is not confined to the arts but is present in every field, from technology to healthcare. To dance with innovation, we need to embrace creativity, cultivate discipline, practice relentlessly, and make innovation a habit. And above all, we must remember that innovation is not a destination, but a journey. It's a dance that never ends, one that we must continue to learn, practice, and master. But fear not, for the dance of innovation is a dance for all of us. Whether you're a seasoned innovator or a beginner, whether you're an artist or an engineer, the dance floor is open to you. As Twyla Tharp shows us, the dance of innovation is within reach for us all. So, are you ready to dance? Now that you're inspired to dance with innovation, how about diving deeper into Twyla Tharp's wisdom? Unearth the secrets of creativity with Twyla Tharp's The Creative Habit audiobook. This isn't just another audiobook. It's a gateway to a world of innovation, a catalyst for transformation, and a tool to unlock your creative potential. And the best part? You can delve into this treasure trove of knowledge without spending a dime. Yes, you heard that right. You can enjoy a free trial of this enlightening audiobook by simply clicking on the link in the description or the first posted comment. This isn't just an offer, it's an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. But that's not all. Your participation also contributes to the @Audio of Knowledge initiative, a community dedicated to spreading knowledge and sparking innovation. Together, we can make a difference and strengthen the audio of knowledge while enjoying audiobooks. Take this unique opportunity to help and thrill, knowing that every audiobook you enjoy for free makes a huge difference to @Audio of Knowledge and its incredible initiatives. Unlock the path to a life of prosperity and fulfillment by strengthening your knowledge of success and leaving an extraordinary contribution to the world. It all starts with a simple click on the video that is before your eyes. We are the audio of knowledge, and this is our way of contributing to your success and to a better world.